I'm secretly modifying my brother's car, and I have just a few minutes to install this before he walks out that door. See, my brother Nick, he broke his ankle, and for 2 months he's kind of had to put his life on pause. Today is the last physical therapy appointment that he has. So they're clearing him to walk again, but more importantly, drive. So I thought, why not make this day even more special by upgrading his car and then making him drive us back home. He has no idea. All right, I need to sneak this intake system into his car without him noticing. How am I gonna do that? I'm going to take my car there. I'm gonna leave this outside next to his car, and then I'm gonna park a little further away, take my scooter to his place. So he thinks I took my scooter and not my car. That way he doesn't suspect I brought anything with me. Okay, so there's his Mini. Yeah, okay, I'll just leave the box right there. And then if I park over here, he shouldn't see me. Brother, while you're putting some clothes on, could I borrow your car keys? I just need to put my stuff in your car so I can help you and film a little better. Yeah? Okay. Pretty sure that worked flawlessly. He doesn't suspect a thing. Oh. Perfect.
Going down like this is so much easier now.
That's awesome, dude.
On it and see. Oh wow, I haven't balanced.
Oh, bro, it's so good to see you actually being somewhat mobile and able to stand on it.
Yeah.
Back. Gee.
Praise the Lord.
Hey, man, dude. What do you miss most about your John Cooper works? Thank you for that. Спасибо.
Miss most about my John Cooper works. I was gonna say the noises, bro, but to be honest, it's more the visceral feeling of it just being so raw, feeling so quick, not actually being quick. I mean, it was pretty quick, but it felt very quick. And yeah, the car was loud for sure. It definitely had a loud voice, so that was fun too, to kind of add into all of that as I'm driving it. It's screaming and popping and crackling. Definitely want another one for sure. Yeah.
Look at you, bro. Yeah. Okay. Here, I'll park it. Yeah, I'll just be in the parking lot. Okay. Okay. He's in there now. I have probably about 30 minutes. Now, I'm installing a cold air intake. On most cars, intakes like this are designed to be quiet, which isn't cool for us car-loving people. What that means for this car is it just makes noise. It kind of sounds a little vacuum cleanery. It's kind of just, and that's kind of it. Like there's not too much character to it. Now what this does is open up the car's ability to take in air. So this car should make noises that sound a little bit more turbo noises. Yeah, that's what we do this for as car enthusiasts. I think we have a problem. The screws they gave me are not long enough. The bolts they gave are this. And that's the gap. Fantastic. I'm just gonna keep it as is. Get some longer bolts later. That bolt, it's snug enough. Everything's held together, so just have to live with it the way that it is right now. Let's throw this thing on. Everything else that's important is secure, so we should be good to go. For now, test drive. I think we're ready. Just got a text. Is this him? He says he's on his way out. You still have the boot on?
Well, I mean, I didn't bring a shoe.
Oh, that makes sense. Okay. I got a new camera mount. Could I try it on your car?
Yeah.
Just practicing with stuff.
You're sick, dude. Whatever. This feels weird, dude, driving in a sock as opposed to a shoe.
I can understand why. Doc, okay. Let's see if that holds. It's supposed to, this thing is supposed to be for like, it's supposed to withstand a certain amount of weight and
See,
all that stuff, so.
it's supposed to provide a good amount of resistance.
Yeah, I think. I don't know if that's the word I'd use, but I might ask you to do a pull or two just to see how well it holds on.
Oh,
Because that little red thing's like a suction pump thing. I need to press it so it sticks, and so I just need to.
yeah. Fair enough.
Not in the school zone though.
Oh gosh, right as I start driving, get a speeding ticket, brother.
Can you do like a boost and let go? Just want to put some like G's through the mount thing, like.
You mean like a
Like-
launch?
No, not necessarily. Like, feel free to roll onto it, but like for a second or two until it hits max boost, and then just let go. Yeah, and just let go. Do that again.
Sure,
I mean, you don't have to go like to a fast speed. You can just do like a, I don't know, first, second gear. So there's like less road noise too, I guess. Yeah, just like a, and then.
Okay. That was loud.
Oh!
That's awesome. Okay.
Could you pop the hood? I want to look at something.
Is there supposed to be a cover here? Or here? No. What? I feel like you took something off. There's supposed to be a cover here. So I just don't need that?
Nope. There's your cold air intake.
I see. I mean, hey, bro, you're the expert. So if this is not damaging the car or not doing anything bad, I'm just gonna leave it like this.
This is the old intake,
Yeah.
and then this is your new cold air intake.
Uh-huh. Okay. It's very black and white.
I secretly installed it while you were at your last appointment.
Cold intake in my car.
Yes.
While I was at an appointment.
Yes.
What?
Yes.
Brother. You find new ways to surprise me.
I thought it would be funny.
This is my new... That's very funny.
Yes.
Bro, what? You were being so black and white. This is your new cold air intake.
Yes.
This is your new cold air intake. I'm like... Okay, like...
I'm like, how hasn't he gotten it yet?
Well, because you were hiding it in such plain sight. You were just being so, like, plain about it. I was like, okay. You just took it off. I mean, okay. You actually installed an intake in my car.
Yes.
When you open it up initially and you're standing there and you're smirking at me, I'm like, huh, it's not supposed to look like that. It's just a big hole. No, it normally doesn't look like that. Your smirk is what gave it away. You just kept going. I was like, yeah, he's up to something. Okay.
I forgot the screws there because I was in a rush to install it, but also film it, but also do it so that you wouldn't notice it. And dude, literally, as I'm starting to put stuff away, I get the text from you like I'm coming out, and I was like, ooh, frick. That's it. I've blown it.
No, dude,
I'm just testing camera stuff.
Yeah, your cover was good, bro. I walked out and you were like, hood was closed, everything, but you were like by the driver's seat, and I was like, okay, he's just walking around the car, like testing stuff, probably vlogging.
Literally, if you came 30 seconds earlier, you would have been like, what are you doing in my car?
Wow, you're very sneaky, dude.
I love you, dude. Yeah, I need to get you a couple bolts.
You know what it was, threatening? Because I hadn't driven my car in a little bit, and especially I haven't given it beans in a while.
Yeah.
So sitting back in it and just hearing it and being like, okay, I'm driving again. I just didn't even really pay attention to that. Wait a second, how can we hear the turbo? All the windows are closed inside the car.
Honestly, so funny to be a blessing to you, particularly sometimes, because you are a little bit oblivious.
Yes. Brother's getting x-rays and getting his foot examined while the other brother's
Sweating outside.
installing an intake on his brother's car.
Yeah, just do like this speed, whatever now. And boost and let go. Ooh, that's tasty, dude.
Now that I know it's in there and I'm paying attention, it is a lot louder for sure, as opposed to what it was. Oh, dang. With the hood open, that's loud.
Brother, an honor and a pleasure.
Thank you so much. It's so crazy.
Get pranked.
Yeah, hard.
Loved one.
Hard, bro. Thank you.
Yeah. Love you, bro. All right, go.
You are sneaky.
Go enjoy.